And they're off. Nice guy taking the lead. Bad guy in second. Ugly guy third, and fat guy is fourth. And now he's about to. And nice guy stepped in front of the finish line. And now bad guy is. Bad guy crossed the finish line. Ugly guy crossed the finish line. Nice guy still waiting for fat guy, it seems. This is a real tortoise and a hare race, folks. Bad guy and ugly guy already celebrating their victory. And now here we go. Fat guy crossed the finish line before nice guy. And here's our winners. In first place, rich guy who bribed the judges and didn't even bother running. Bad guy in second. Ugly guy in third. Fat guy in fourth. And nice guy finished last.